We helped the criminal defense attorney outrank a 20-year-old law firm in their city. The website traffic doubled, calls from new clients tripled, and they became the top local listing for the most competitive criminal law searches. Here's exactly what we did. If you're new here, hi, I'm RP. I run a consulting and marketing agency focused on search positioning and growth strategy. I've spent about 8 years helping small businesses, founders, and local operators who really depend on search to bring in actual clients. I'm based out of Vancouver, Canada, and we work with clients all across North America and Europe. Today's case study shows how we helped a criminal defense attorney leapfrog a firm with 20 years of history. The client was a solo criminal defense attorney in a mid sized city. Their firm was new with limited online presence and very few local reviews. Despite strong legal expertise, their website wasn't ranking for key searches like criminal lawyer near me or DUI defense attorney in their particular city. Their old competitors dominated Google Maps and search results, making it nearly impossible for new clients to find them until we stepped in. So here's what we did. First, we worked on their technical SEO, compressed images, and improved server response to get the site loading under 2 seconds. Why is this important? Faster sites rank and keep visitors from bouncing. Second, we worked on the Google business profile, updated their name, address, and phone number, NAP, service areas, and post targeting DUI defense attorney in their city. Why? Because accurate, detailed profiles help Google show the firm in top local searches. Third, we earn backlinks from local legal publications. Why did this matter? Links build trust and credibility, letting a new firm outrank older competitors. Each of these steps ensure their website and profile are fully optimized for Google's local ranking factors, setting them up to finally competing with long standing competitors. And within 4 months, they jumped from the bottom of page two to number one local pack for criminal defense attorney in their city. Their organic search traffic doubled, new client inquiries tripled, and the 20-year-old firm that once dominated was now clearly behind. For a new attorney, these results meant consistent leads, more cases, and faster growth than they ever expected. Businesses with the right foundation now will be the ones AI recommends 6 months from now. By fixing these SEO basics and establishing authority early, this attorney isn't just ranking today, they're setting up to dominate future searches. Even as AI driven results start shaping how clients find legal services. You might be thinking AI is changing search. Is SEO even worth it? Absolutely. People are still searching for lawyers, and those searches still drive clients. The difference is the firms that adapt now own that traffic, while those who wait risk being invisible. Acting early is your competitive advantage. We can do the same for you. If you want to know what's holding your law practice back in local search, what's broken, what's missing, what would move that needle forward, let's find out together. I'll leave the booking link in the description below. If you are a woman in business, I have a pink discount just for you. Let's work together.